The vastness of the universe is something that is almost impossible for us to fully comprehend. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, it's almost too much for our minds to grasp.
Exactly. And when you start to think about it, the idea that Star Wars is just a fantasy begins to wobble a bit. With all those stars and planets, what are the odds that there's a galaxy out there, far, far away, with a Darth Vader and a rebel alliance?
It's a fascinating thought. From a mathematical standpoint, the law of large numbers suggests that if you keep increasing the number of trials, let's say habitable planets, the chances of a civilization evolving with Star Wars-like technology becomes higher.
Right. So when we look at each planet as a trial, the idea that a rebel alliance or galactic empire could form somewhere out there doesn't seem so crazy. The odds are small for each individual planet, but when you factor in the sheer number of planets, it starts to seem pretty likely.
Exactly. And then there's something even more abstract, like geometric probability theory. It suggests that in an infinite space, even the most complex patterns have a chance of emerging.
So, if the universe is near infinite, and the events of Star Wars are like a pattern of how civilizations could interact, then not only is it possible to see a Jedi or a Sith, but it might even be inevitable.
It's crazy, isn't it? It's not just about life existing, but about the potential for social structures, conflicts, and technologies that mirror what we see in Star Wars.
And here's a twist: relativity of time. It tells us time isn't absolute. It's relative to the observer. So what seems like a future event for us might actually be happening right now somewhere else. Or maybe happened billions of years ago.
That's wild. So, the Galactic Empire might not exist now, but it could have been around ages ago, or could rise in the future. The light we see from distant galaxies, we're literally looking at the past.
And that past might have had the Skywalkers and the Kenobis shaping the destiny of their galaxy. Or maybe it's happening in another now out there. It makes the Star Wars universe seem not so far-fetched.
Yeah, it really makes you think. Star Wars might not be pure fiction. It could actually be a glimpse into the kinds of realities that exist out there, realities that we're just beginning to discover.
Exactly. So the next time we look up at the stars, or gaze at a picture from the James Webb Space Telescope, maybe we should wonder, out there in the vastness of space, could a Millennium Falcon be jumping to hyperspace? Could a lightsaber be igniting in the dark? Could the Force be out there, guiding the destiny of another galaxy?
It's a mind-bending thought, but who knows? The universe is full of surprises.